Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, Beginner's Guide to Etsy, how to name your Etsy shop. I'm going to be talking about a great tool that helps you with your branding when you're first starting off with Etsy. So I'm going to be talking about why you need to use this tool and how it's going to separate you to become a brand that in the future you could start charging premium prices. So make sure that you watch all the way till the end. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today and also show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's dive into the tool. So I talked about this tool before, but I don't think I really talked about it in the sense of looking at it in the future, how it could change your business for the better. And I kind of wanted to do a more in detail video on it because I think it's worth talking about it, especially when you are first starting on Etsy. This might not be something you really think about, but you should be thinking about. So it's called Name Checker. I will leave the link below. That way you guys could just click there and go to it. It's not an affiliate link and it's free to use. So you don't have to worry about signing up or having an account. And Name Checker, what it does is helps you find that particular name that you're going to use for your Etsy store. And it shows you if it's available across multiple networks. The reason why you want to make sure that your name, your possible name of your store, is available across all networks is because for branding purposes. If you look at large corporations like Macy's, Starbucks, Target, Walmart, if you were to look at their Twitter handle, their Instagram username, or the handle name, Facebook name, it's all Target. If somebody's following you on Instagram and they go to Facebook, all they have to do is type in Target and it will pop up. That's what you want ultimately. You want your name, if your name is Magnolia LLC, you want that to appear as your username on Instagram, as your username on Facebook, as your username on Twitter, YouTube, what other platforms, WordPress, whatever platforms you're going to end up using, eBay, Etsy, etc. You do not want to make the mistake that I did when I first started my career in digital space over 10 years ago. I have multiple handle names and it drives me crazy because I have Nancy Badillo 13, I have Nancy Badillo 1, I have Nancy Badillo. So if somebody searched me in a different platform, but they knew me by Nancy Badillo 13 and they typed that in on Facebook, they will not find me. Because on Facebook it's Nancy Badillo Official. As you can see, I have different variations. That's not good because ultimately it hinders me as a brand. When I try to get my name all across, a lot of my names are taken or they're fake accounts, unfortunately. So I can't even get them now. So this is why I'm trying to prevent for you to happen in the future. What you want to do is treat your business like a real business. And even though you might be like, well, why do I need an Instagram account if I don't even have any products yet? You need it for in the future. So what you want to do is you want to go in here. I'm just going to type in anything for now. Enjoy cookie. I don't know. Let's see if this is available. You type it in, you put search. Let's say this is the name that you want. And it's going to show you what platforms your name is available and if it's available. Once it shows you where it's available, if it's available in majority of the platforms you're gonna go ahead and advertise on, I strongly suggest to go ahead and secure the name. So for instance, Enjoy Cookie is not available on Instagram. I'm surprised somebody even has that. It's not available on Twitter. It's available on Facebook, on YouTube. It's not available on Etsy, which is so weird. Maybe they bake cookies, so that could kind of make sense. But if you find it available, let's say on Etsy, on Facebook, Twitter, all the big ones, Facebook, YouTube, WordPress, Instagram, and Pinterest, oh my God, secure the name. Even if you know you're not going to be using Pinterest the next month or Instagram or Twitter, just make an account for each one of them using the handle name. That way, when you're ready to promote your products and you build up your store and you're like, okay, I'm ready. I built up my store. Now I'm ready to promote it all across social media. You have the handle names already. That's the point of this tool, is to find a name for your store that you love, that is available, and is also available in other platforms. So later on, you could start using it and building a huge brand. Keep in mind, just in case you're thinking why she keeps talking about branding, branding will help you separate yourself from the competitors. This is how Target, or I'll give you a better idea. This is how Starbucks is able to charge $6 per coffee, but the corner store that opened a new restaurant, maybe they could charge $2.50 per coffee. The only difference, because of the coffee, the only thing different about their coffee and Starbucks is the brand. People recognize the brand, so they are willing to pay premium price for that brand. So when you sell jewelry for $10 right now, when you become a brand and people start recognizing you as a brand, then you're able to charge $60 for the same pair of earrings they used to charge $10. Why? Because people are willing to pay premium prices. People are always willing to pay more based on who you are as a person. If I was more of an influencer or a bigger person on YouTube, more people might be subjective to buy more stuff from me versus somebody that's just starting out like myself. So just keep that in mind. When you are a huge brand, you could charge more because of branding purposes. But it starts with the beginning. It starts with setting up your store correctly and making sure that you are setting yourself correctly for the future. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the tool, leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to assist you and answer any questions you guys have. And thank you again for watching this video.